Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you two interesting activity with rubber band. Yes, this activity will improve your fine motor skill and eye-hand coordination. Yes, so let's start with the activity. Our first activity is fishing activity. Okay, so for this activity, materials we need: toothpick, bowl, rubber bands, tray and water bowl. Okay, so let's start with the activity. Children, for this activity we need one tray, one bowl, big bowl, one small bowl, rubber bands and toothpicks. Okay, children? Children, tell your mummy to pour water in the big bowl. Okay, children? See, here I have taken water. Okay? And put the rubber bands in the water. See, children. Like this. Okay? Now, with the help of toothpick, you are going to pull out the rubber bands. See, what is this? Toothpick. What is this? Toothpick. So, you are going to hold like this. Okay, children? With the two fingers. See. Okay? And with the help of toothpick, you are going to pull out the rubber bands. Yes? You have to fish out all the rubber bands one by one. Okay, see children, like this. Slowly you are going to pull out the rubber band and you have to keep in this bowl. See. What we are doing? Fishing. Yes. See, like this. One by one you are going to fish out the rubber band. Yes. Then in this bowl you are going to keep. Slowly. See how to hold the toothpick, children? Like this, okay? One by one. Yes. Yes. See children. Like this. Okay. I hope you all will enjoy this activity. Okay children. Second activity is we are going to make one musical instrument. Yes. For this activity, materials we need rubber bands, box, pencils, tape or Fevicol, cutter, scissor and color paper, any color paper. Okay, so let's start with the second activity. Children, for this activity we need one box, color paper, any color paper, rubber bands, Fevicol or tape, transparent tape, cutter and 3 pencils. Okay children, so now we will start with our activity. Okay. Children, what we are going to do? We are going to wrap this box with the color paper. Here I have taken pink color. Okay. So you are going to wrap. Okay, tell your mama. Take mama's help. Okay, children. So like this you are going to wrap this box. See children, like this you are going to wrap. Take your mama's help. Okay. Children, see like this you are going to wrap the box. Okay. Now, see children. Now, here we are going to make one circle. Okay. So, take any round shape object. Okay children, I have taken this sellotape only. In the middle. Okay, middle or see children like this. Okay. You are going to make one circle. Now what we are going to do? We are going to cut this circle with the cutter. But children, when you are cutting this circle, you have to take your parents' help. Okay children? You are going to take your parents' help. Okay? Slowly, slowly, I am going to cut this circle. See children, like this. After cutting, it will look like this. Okay children? And one more small circle here also we are going to cut. Okay children? So you can take any circle, small circle. Okay? See children, like this. Small hole. Okay? After this, what we are going to do? We are going to take rubber band. See. Another rubber band. One more. Okay, like this you're going to do. See. Okay children. Then you can take pencil, any color pencil, and what you have to do, you have to put this pencil inside this hole. Yes. See children, like this. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Yes? Yes, musical instrument, guitar. Yes, what we have made? Guitar. So children, if you want, you can decorate this guitar also. Okay? If you want, you can decorate. Otherwise, no need. See children, like this you can decorate also. Okay. Then what you are going to do? You are going to put this pencil here. See children, other side also. Okay, see, like this. Now you can play this. See children, you can hear the sound. Okay, so our instrument is ready. Yes? Children, I hope you all will enjoy this activity. Okay? Children, I hope you all will enjoy this activities. Thank you children. Bye bye. We will meet in the next session. Take care.